Hey you guys, Jesse here with Summit Jeep Company. Just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this new JL that we've got available for sale here. It's a 2018 four-door unlimited sport. I'm gonna go ahead and hop out here and we'll kind of just walk you around the Jeep. All right you guys, so just want to tell you a little bit about this 2018 JL that we have for sale here. We bought this as a completely stock 2018 JL Unlimited Sport. We put a 3.5-inch Skyjacker lift on it. It's got the dual rate coil springs, the M95 shocks. We did go ahead and put some Rancho geometry correction brackets on it as well, just to kind of help get that caster back where it needs to be. It's got 37-inch Copper Discoverer STT Pros on it, Black Rhino 20x12 rims, and then we'll walk around the front where we put on a DV8. This is their FS15 stubby front bumper. We've got a worn 10,000-pound synthetic winch, factor 55 Fairlead, as well as a flat link on it. Around the back side over here, when we end up going to a 37, you have to reinforce the tailgate on it. So we went ahead with the Mopar, which is the factory tailgate reinforcement kit, as well as the spare tire relocation kit. Relocated the third brake light back here as well. Nice feature again with all these new JLs, they come from the factory with a backup camera, so super handy to have, especially when you've got a big 37 sticking out the back. For additional lighting up front, we did go ahead and put some rigid side shooter pods on there. They're mounted up here on the right below the windshield. So these little things are extremely bright, man. They pack a punch as far as lighting is concerned. On the inside, I'll show you, we got just a little switch right down here to kick those on. As you guys can see from the inside, it is a brand new vehicle. Like I said, only about 285 miles on it. So she's super clean and she's ready for a new owner. So if you guys want to take this for a test drive, if you want to come in, take a closer look, we're located at 402 East Sheldon Street here in Prescott. Thanks you guys.